Hey guys, it's the moment that we've all been waiting for. The review, final review, or actually the 1 year review of the Shimano Nasci C3000 HG and the Daiwa BG 2500. I've used them for a year now, and I actually have a conclusion between the two. Daiwa, still smooth. I have done no maintenance on these reels. No maintenance. Only thing I've done is rinse them off after I've used them in salt water. And if I've actually dropped this in sand once, and then I had to dunk it in salt water. Well, I didn't have to dunk it, but I didn't have any fresh water around me, and there was sand all around it, so I had to put it in the salt water real quick. And it still, with no maintenance, I just rinsed it off, still butter. Shimano, good reel. I love it. It's a good reel. It's still smooth. I've never dunked it, and I haven't dropped it in sand yet, but it's still smooth. Not as smooth as the Daiwa. It just doesn't want to go there. I'm not sure. There you go. Maybe it's because of this line. Maybe because of the line. I'll pull the line out. Just to be fair. It doesn't have a reverse, so that could also affect the gear. It still should be going. Still pretty smooth. Not as smooth as the Daiwa, even after a dunk. So, the Daiwa also feels like it has more cranking power. When I'm reeling up a fish, it just cranks. I mean, this thing's a beast compared to this one. When I'm reeling something on this one, it feels like there's a little flex or something going on to where it just doesn't have as much cranking power as the BG. Again, BG still smooth and Nasci still smooth. It's just not as smooth as the BG. The cranking power is a lot better. It feels a lot more solid of a reel. And I would say for $100, I would go with another BG any day. I love this reel. I used it. This is actually my preferred reel when I'm fishing with my 2500 now. When I get higher, I go up to the Shimano Stratic and then Saragossa. But either way, I'm not talking about those. I'm talking about these. I wanted reels $100 or less, and they're both great reels. But if I had a preference and I had to go choose one, all day, I would actually even buy a couple more different sizes of this BG in the future if I needed it. You know, because I like it that much. It's just, I really love fishing with this reel, and for $100, you can't beat it. So that's my conclusion so far. If I decide to change my mind in the future with fishing these two reels, and I use them, these are just my go-to reels. I use these reels all the time. I mean, I have a bunch of different other reels, but again, these are my go-to reels. So after a year's use, Daiwa BG, still buttery smooth. Dropped in sand and dunk. Great cranking power. Nice and sturdy on your rod. I really like it. Really like it. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.